Join me as I put the new DJI Mini 5 Pro to the test and see if those mind-blowing camera features really live up to the hype. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is set to launch on August 7th, and it's creating a lot of buzz in the drone market. This new mini drone promises to deliver high-quality visuals and impressive features that could change the game for drone enthusiasts. One of the biggest pain points for drone users has always been camera quality. We've all been there trying to capture that perfect shot, but the footage comes out shaky, blurry, or just plain disappointing. And let's not forget about usability. Some drones can be such a hassle to fly and maneuver. It's like they're more trouble than they're worth. For instance, I've had my fair share of struggles with low light conditions, where the footage just doesn't do justice to the scene I'm trying to capture. And I've heard from fellow drone enthusiasts about their frustrations with cumbersome menus and complicated settings. To make matters worse, some drones just can't handle windy conditions, leaving you with unusable footage. These limitations have held us back from truly enjoying the drone experience. The DJI Mini 5 Pro boasts some seriously impressive camera specs. It features a high-resolution camera capable of shooting 4,000 video at 60 fps, making it perfect for capturing smooth and detailed footage. The Mini 5 Pro also comes equipped with advanced stabilization technology, which means you can expect rock-solid stability and minimal shake, even in windy conditions. What sets it apart, though, are its unique shooting modes, like a dedicated low-light mode that actually works. Plus, the Mini 5 Pro features a large 1/2-inch CMOS sensor, which allows for better low-light performance and a wider dynamic range. And let's not forget about the lens, which has a wide aperture of f1.7, allowing for more creative control over your shots. But what really caught my attention is the Mini 5 Pro's most exciting feature, its ability to shoot 5.4K video at 30 fps. That's right, folks, to 5.4000 resolution, which is simply stunning. Imagine being able to capture every detail, every nuance, and every subtle change in color and texture. The kind of video quality that's almost indistinguishable from reality. And with the Mini 5 Pro's advanced HDR capabilities, you can expect a level of color accuracy and contrast that's just unmatched. The possibilities for creative storytelling are endless with this kind of technology. For example, you could capture breathtaking aerial footage of landscapes, or create stunning cinematic sequences for your next film project. In summary, the DJI Mini 5 Pro's camera features are a major leap forward for drone photography and videography. With its high-resolution camera, advanced stabilization, and innovative shooting modes, this mini drone is poised to take the market by storm. So, what do you think about the Mini 5 Pro? Are you excited to get your hands on it and try out those mind-blowing camera features? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about drones, be sure to check out my previous videos on drone comparisons and tips. I think you'll find them really helpful.